Because you guys will be able to, once you go through this and you're familiar with it, you'll be able to help a lot of other people, because there are a lot of people now who use Windows, the old Windows, but they don't like the new Windows. And actually Microsoft just came out with an update because so many people were complaining with some of these new features that they didn't like because they had to learn new things where stuff is hidden. So now Microsoft came out with an update, I think yesterday, we're going to release it today, where it's going to make some changes to this. It's still going to be the same, but it's going to be a little bit more convenient for people who are used to the old way. But the reason I think this is good is because this kind of emulates what you guys are already used to on your cell phones. Let's go to the upper right. Everybody, you guys that are sharing, let's go to your upper right or your lower right, and let's pull out the Charms menu. Oh, good, good. You got it. Okay, it's got to go to two times.
Yeah, it's the one more.